I wanted to improve my PCOS symptoms, here's exactly what I would do, step by steps. Today, I'm excited to share some science-backed strategies that, if I were in your shoes, which I am, I would adopt to regain balance, from addressing insulin resistance to calming inflammation. So grab your tea, settle in, and let's dive into taking control of your health. If you're new here, hello, I'm Dijha, and welcome to Imperfect Wellness with Dijha. If you're looking for simple, effective ways to manage your PCOS and live a healthier lifestyle, you're in the right place. So let's dive into the core of PCOS management, addressing insulin resistance, which is the root cause of many PCOS symptoms. Insulin resistance is a key driver of PCOS, creating a vicious cycle that affects blood sugar levels. So when cells become resistant to insulin, blood sugar rises, prompting the pancreas to produce even more insulin. This excess insulin then exacerbates PCOS symptoms, including increased androgen production. To break this cycle, I would focus on protein-rich meals that help stabilize blood sugar and boost insulin sensitivity. I'd start the day with a hearty protein breakfast, scrambled eggs with spinach and avocado, for example, to keep energy levels high throughout the morning. For lunch, I'd opt for a grilled chicken salad loaded with mixed greens, olive oil dressing, and plenty of non-starchy veggies. These meals, packed with lean proteins, are designed to keep blood sugar levels steady and reduce insulin resistance. I'd also incorporate protein-rich snacks during the day. Think a handful of almonds, yogurt, whether that be Greek yogurt or non-dairy yogurt, or even sliced cucumber with a protein dip. This approach would not only help manage PCOS symptoms, but also support overall hormonal balance and keep those pesky cravings in check. If I were starting out, I'd begin with one meal at a time. Those small changes could make a huge difference in energy levels and overall well-being. Now that we've tackled insulin resistance, let's move on to another delicious way to support our journey, anti-inflammatory food. So if I wanted to improve my PCOS symptoms, I would make sure to load up on anti-inflammatory foods. They're both delicious and essential for calming PCOS symptoms. So inflammation plays a significant role in PCOS, and by choosing foods that fight inflammation, you're giving your body a natural boost. These foods help reduce oxidative stress and support a more balanced hormonal environment. I would add more berries, leafy greens, nuts, and fatty fish like salmon to my meals. I'd also incorporate spices like turmeric and ginger. Imagine enjoying a warming turmeric latte or adding a sprinkle of ginger to your stir fry. Swapping processed snacks for a vibrant, colorful salad not only satisfies your taste buds, but also fuels your body with powerful antioxidants. So try adding one anti-inflammatory food at a time and see how your body responds. It's a natural, tasty way to keep inflammation and your PCOS symptoms in check. So with our plates full of nourishing food, let's shift gears and talk about a fun, empowering way to boost our health, strength training. So strength training is a real game changer for managing PCOS. Building lean muscle not only improves insulin sensitivity, but it also gives your metabolism a healthy kick. Plus, it can be a wonderful confidence booster. If I was planning a workout routine, I'd aim for 2 to 3 30-minute sessions a week. I would start with simple bodyweight exercises like squats, lunges, and push-ups. For those who are just beginning, I know it might feel challenging at first, but gradually, as you get stronger, you can add heavier dumbbells to challenge your body even more. This can make a big difference in managing weight and boosting overall energy levels. Remember, it doesn't have to be intense. Consistency is what matters. Start at your own pace and celebrate every small win along the way. So after a good workout, it's time to focus on nurturing the mind. Let's talk about managing stress. So, if I wanted to improve my PCOS symptoms, I would definitely focus on managing stress. It's absolutely essential for hormonal balance. High stress levels can spike cortisol, which may worsen PCOS symptoms like inflammation and weight gain. So keeping stress in check is crucial for maintaining balance. If I had to choose a strategy, I'd set aside about 10 minutes each day for stress relief activities, whether it's taking a quiet walk, journaling, or doing a quick meditation session. Those small moments can really help to lower cortisol levels. I might finish the day, some deep breathing, some gentle stretching. Think of this as a mini reset for your mind and body. So find a stress relief activity that resonates and make it a part of your routine. Even a few minutes can have a significant impact on your overall well-being. So now that our minds are a bit more at ease, let's ensure our bodies get the rest they deserve. If I wanted to improve my PCOS symptoms, I would treat sleep as a secret weapon. Quality sleep is essential for hormone regulation, stress reduction, and overall health. Without enough rest, everything can feel a bit off balance. I would aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night, creating a calming bedtime routine, so just turning off the screen an hour before bed, dimming the lights, and enjoying a cup of caffeine-free herbal tea could transform your night. A consistent sleep schedule can make all the difference in waking up refreshed and ready to tackle the day. Even if you focus on improving just one night at a time, prioritizing sleep is one of the simplest, yes, most powerful changes you can make. With a well-rested body, let's look at one more strategy to support our journey: supplements. So finally, if I wanted to improve my PCOS symptoms, I would consider using supplements, but always under the guidance of a healthcare professional. So certain supplements can specifically target PCOS symptoms. For example, inositol is known to boost insulin sensitivity and support regular cycles, while omega-3s and magnesium can help reduce inflammation and improve sleep quality. I would do thorough research and consult with my doctor to see which supplements might be best. And if you're curious about the science behind these recommendations, there are links to research studies in the description below. Think of supplements as that extra push once you've established the basics. They're here to support a healthy lifestyle, not to replace the good habits that you're building. So let's wrap things up with a quick summary of all the steps. Today, we covered several actionable steps for improving PCOS symptoms. First, addressing insulin resistance by focusing on balanced, protein-rich meals. Then, incorporating anti-inflammatory foods to naturally calm the body. Next, we explored the benefits of strength training to build lean muscle and boost metabolism. I discussed how managing stress with simple daily practices can make a big difference. We looked at the importance of quality sleep to keep everything in balance. And finally, we touched on how targeted supplements can offer extra support when paired with a healthy lifestyle. Improving PCOS symptoms is a journey, and every small step counts. Start with 1 or 2 of these tips and gradually build on them. Each change brings you closer to a healthier, happier you. I am cheering you on every step of the way. See you in the next video.